What if a single color could predict the future? Every year, WGSN and Coloro name the hue that defines our world. And for 2026, it is the sophisticated, essential shade, Transformative Teal. This isn't just any blue-green. It's a fluid fusion, a precise blend of dependable dark blue and vital aquatic green. It represents change, redirection, and resilience. It's driven by a global Earth-first mindset. As we face complex environmental challenges, Transformative Teal grounds us. So get ready to see it everywhere. In fashion, it'll replace your navy and black as the go-to elegant dark. In interiors, use it to create tranquil modern spaces. Think velvety accent chairs or bold wall art. And in tech and branding, it signals trustworthiness and conscious innovation. Transformative Teal is more than a trend. It's the color of hope and strategic change. Let me know in the comments, what are you going to transform with teal? Like and subscribe for more essential trend forecasts.